everyone, today I'm gonna give you 10 words, 10 means of transportation in Portuguese, okay? So let's improve our vocabulary. First one, car, carro, 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 carro. Bus, ônibus, ônibus, ônibus. Airplane, avião, avião, avião. Ship, navio, navio, navio. Bicycle, bicicleta, 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 or just bike. Truck, caminhão, caminhão, caminhão. Subway, metrô, metrô, metrô. Taxi, táxi, just taxi. Motorcycle, motocicleta, or just moto, moto. And train, trem, trem, trem. Alright, don't forget to subscribe my channel and grande abraço.